Asa dapit? Sa kwan?
Eileen, why are you disappointed?
Because my sister went into a relationship with a relative.
Relative? What the heck?
That's so complicated, huh?
Yeah, that's right.
My parents always
Ay, doon ka sa her effort since lungboy na hindi pa pwede mag-skateboard sa mag-trust on me.
Okay, English speaking. This is the English speaking girl.
But
You, what is your problem? Nata.
her innocence, and they've always relied to me after my sister went to college.
why are you laughing?
Oh,
I can take it.
I feel sorry for her.
Woo.
Though I've been
You are Megan.
Thank you.
Right.
Thank you.
Today is your 16th.
surfing board.
Oh yes, it's your 17th birthday.
Yes.
August 25.
Thank you.
So, what's your birthday wish?
Sarah. Huwag tang-tanang problema.
You said sarang. And as I recall, sarang means love. So hopefully you'll find love. But then love is overrated, so just find friends.
Okay.
Friends are better than love.
I love you, friend.
Shut up.
Okay, you, Jeanette.
What?
Oh, shit. Sorry. Birthday wish for me. Okay, sure. Why not? Happy.
Good health. And hanap ka ng, makala ka ng yung, kapalit niya.
Okay, I know. Thank you, Jeanette.
Love you.
Thank you. Liza. Uy, Liza, ay gilak.
Pwede tabunan ako nun because it's red.
Read. It's read.
It's red.
It's okay.
Shot pa ba?
More na yung concern. Okay. Okay, birthday wish for me.
Birthday wishes. Nice boyfriend.
Nice.
Nice but good.
But not that bad.
Tanan. Kailangan perfecto.
Kanay mong ganahan sa kalaki.
Okay. Nice.
Dagan kwarta.
Okay, that's good.
Making money. Not coins, but paper.
Yeah, right.
Yeah. Praktikal na karon.
Tanan.
Karon pa sila abot eh.
Una to.
Okay, thank you, Liza.
You, Megan.
Love you, Liza. Para, what up? Oh, kani siya hubog.
Hubog na. Unang hubog na mo.
Oy, what's pahabol? Oh, thank you. Kamu tanan. Family naman muna ako.
Pamilya sa. Ayugi nga. Pamilya ita kay. Di may piskul.